Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's good to have you all back here, and welcome to a daily update on Ethereum. I haven't been covering Ethereum daily for the last 2 weeks or so, but I felt like it was important today because we got a major bearish breakout. These videos, truthfully, don't get a lot of views, but I know there's a significant group of you who do watch these videos. So this is for you. We'll do a full update. We'll talk about the technicals. We'll briefly mention and we'll talk about some fundamental potential things that could happen, which you do need to know about. They're very important. But for now, we'll just focus on the technicals mainly. All right. And at the end of the video, hopefully you're optimally prepared for everything that can happen with Ethereum. But for now, before we dive into it, if you want to receive trading setups, access to my trading guide, and access to some amazing trading communities we have around Cilinix Crypto, consider joining the premium group. We have a premium group. Links will be down in the description or in the pinned comment or on cilinix.com. If you want to join, consider that if you want to become a better and more profitable trader. But for now, onto Ethereum. So what we've seen over the last 24 hours is something we in these videos have been talking about for quite a long time. Even yesterday, is that we got our bearish breakout. The level that's been holding us for quite a while now, which is the level around 1830 and arguably like 1845, has broken. We have broken that once before, and there we actually managed to get back above that level instantly. But now the break seems a little bit different because, first of all, it's paired up with bullish momentum from the dollar strength index, which is relevant. And second of all, it's also paired up with a major bearish breakout from Bitcoin, breaking down below 29,000. So that's the situation right now. We talked about this. In general, the market structure for Ethereum was pretty stable, but overall more bearish than bullish. So at some point of time, this was to be expected. There's also some sort of an Elliott wave theory, which you can, or Elliott wave structure, which you can derive from this, which stated this. But now, situation is as following. We had some sort of support at 1840, some sort of a consolidation between 1885 and 1840. Now we have, I would say, conclusively broken below 1830, even though it's not the biggest bearish breakout, I must admit, but it is a bearish breakout. So now what we'll probably do is we'll retest that level around 1840, 1835, which is the middle of the key area that we considered support before. We'll test that level, and at this point of time, I think the most likely scenario is, and that's mainly because of this bearish breakout, which doesn't happen without a reason. But apart from that, also because of the Elliott wave structure and because of my expectations for Bitcoin, I think the most likely scenario is that we will respect that and that we will continue this bearish momentum at least, well, probably first down to 1800. 1800 is obviously a big psychological support level. But ultimately, I think we're heading down towards this level right here, around 1780 and 1775. I do not expect that to come quick, all right? So we'll still do a couple more updates in between. We'll probably not crash down there. It's always a possibility, but it's very unlikely. But at this point of time, the most likely scenario is that we will drop down there. Now, I must say, and I also said that in my Bitcoin video, because it's the truth, it's the first of the month, all right? Sometimes the first of the month, especially when it is a Tuesday, sometimes that can bring a lot of direction, and it could also bring a reversal in price. So now we're seeing that the volume is actually, around 5.6 billion. But it's still lower than we were last week. So we could still potentially, all right, because it's the first of the month, we could still get a lot of buy orders and break above 1840. If that's the case, all of a sudden we're neutral and we'll get back up to 1860, 1870, and we're in this consolidation range again. This is a possibility. Some recovery is a possibility, especially also if Bitcoin is able to get some sort of a bearish breakout and therefore bearish or bullish breakout and therefore bullish validation. So this is a possibility. You should be prepared for this, but it's 100% not the most likely scenario at this point of time. So that's my update on Ethereum. I think that's everything you need to know. But if you do have any questions, or if you questions about what I said, or just questions on Ethereum in general, then make sure to let me know down in the comments, because for now, this is my analysis. So thank you for watching. Have a great rest of the week, and bye.